Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20A, question number 8 of class 9. The given figure shows a right angle triangle ABC and an equilateral triangle BCD. Find the area of the shaded portion. So we have to find this area of the shaded portion. So what it will be? Area of shaded portion will be equal to area of triangle ABC, big triangle, minus area of triangle BDC. Now my job will be to find the area of the triangle ABC and area of triangle BDC. We know triangle ABC is 90 degree. So what will be the area of triangle ABC? ABC is a right angle triangle. So half base into height. Now the base is BC will be the base and AB will be the height. So height is AB for this triangle ABC. We need to find AB is not given, but AC and BC are given. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will find out AB. We know in Pythagoras theorem, AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to perpendicular square, that is height square, plus base square. We need to find AB. So AB square will be what? BC will go to the other side. It will become AC square minus BC square. So first job will be to find the height. AB square will be AC square, that is 16 square, minus BC square. BC is 8 square. 16 square is 256 minus 8 8s are 64. That is 192. So AB square is 192. So AB will be how much? It will be a square root of 192. Now I'll tell you how to find the square root. What we do, we factorize the number whose square root we have to find by the prime factors. So 2 is a prime number, 9 2s are 18, and then 12, 6, 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. Now this 192 has come out as 2 into 2. We'll write these products. 3 1s are 3 also, you can write at the end. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now what we do, we make pairs of the numbers. So these are pairs, 3 is left alone. So out of pair we take one number outside. Fine. So 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here. 3 has no pair, that means it is under root only. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 root 3 is AB. Now what is the area? AB we got 8 root 3. Fine. Centimeter, because everything is in centimeter. So area of ABC triangle ABC will be half. Base is 8 into 8 root 3. This will get cancelled. 8 4s are 32. Root 3 centimeter square, because the area is centimeter square. Now we will find the area of triangle BDC. You can see here BDC, which is an equilateral triangle. With what is the formula for equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side. All the sides are same. So BC is one of the side that means it is 8, so it will become root 3 by 4 into 8 square, that is root 3 by 4 and 8 into 8, let it be like this. This will become 16 root 3 centimeter square. We saw above that when we for the area of shaded portion, we will subtract the area of ABC with BDC. So we got both the areas. So now area, therefore area of shaded portion is 32 root 3 minus 16 root 3. Root 3 is common in both the terms. That means 32 minus 16. 32 minus 16 is 16. So this is 16 root 3 centimeter square is the area of the shaded portion.